for me, saying I love you is so important. But it's not something that I can just spill out ng ganun-ganun lang. Kasi I wanna make sure that I mean it and I really, really feel it at the moment. So, whenever I say that I miss him, like out of the blue, I would text him. Like talaga, seriously, kahapon, I was by myself, tapos sabi ko, ang tagal naman ni Ice. Tapos, nung message ako sa kanya, sabi ko, hi love, katagal ka pa ba? Tapos, sabi niya, bakit, na-miss mo na ako? I said, oo, kinilig ako dun. Kasi nga, he knows that I really mean it. Hindi yung araw-araw, sasabihin mo na lang, I love you. Hindi mo naman mean. Oh.
So hindi mo minimin na mahal mo ako araw-araw?
Ay, grabe. It's just not in the language that I say it.